Hey, Rue. Hello. Say hello, Rue. Say hello. Hello. This is Rue. This is my sister's dog. And we were playing Monkey in the Middle, and I don't have the ball. But she thinks I do. I think she might have just figured it out.
Where is it, Rue?
Where's the ball?
Where is it? You find it? You find it? Is it your ball?
You got it! Got it! Now I'm going to take it. Oh! Where are you going? Bring me the ball. Oh, I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get that ball. I'm going to get that ball. Oh my gosh. I got it. I got it. Now sit. Sit. You want it? It brings it back to me. Give it here. Where'd you go? Are you done playing? Okay. So that's the dog vlog. See you tomorrow.